What's up, everybody? Down South Don. So I'm here in the audio warehouse. I did discover some new speakers that'll be good for Jeeps. So if you take a look right here, so some 6, these are 8s actually. And then we got the 6.5s up here, which is not bad. But also, show you guys a cheap alternative to some motorcycle amps, which a lot of people have no clue about. And a lot of these are waterproof, which are here. And this actually is a 95 efficient ST 1200. This is a D class, 4-channel, and have a couple of mono blocks, the 1000. Some of them are Bluetooth, so if you happen to need that Bluetooth capability, you got them here. There's so much in here, it's ridiculous. Here's the actual Class D subwoofer amplifier, which is not bad if you're trying to do some subs in your bags. But anyway, so let me go off to the other side. So here I got the Massive, which is real good for Jeeps. It's a high-end audio, you know, quite good for if you're trying to do a competition style system. As you can see, tons of inventory in, more than you could possibly wish for. Got Alpine amplifiers, got all the waterproof subs, as you can see, all the Alpine amps. Let me back out so you can see. This is a popular option for those who have the, this is the 9-inch, which is great for the new Jeeps with the different console. I believe it's what, 18 or 20, 2020 and up. All right. Like I said, more than you can possibly need for your audio system, so make sure you get with me. What's up, everybody? Down South Don, over here at the French Fry House over in Houston, and pretty nice little spot. So today I decided to get I think it's more of a Bayou special. It has crawfish and shrimp over fries. I don't know if you can see that, but man, this is a good look. I'm about to pick out and tell you guys what I think. Now, let me see. Oh man, that's good. Anyway, head out, get back with you. Me and the fellas are turning some corners right now, and let you know how that goes. So, got my boy Dino here. What you got there, man?
It's brisket fries.
So he got the brisket fries, and man, I've had that last time. That goes pretty damn hard. So it's got chopped up brisket over a bed of soft French fries, barbecue sauce, chives, sour cream, onions, you name it. Once again, French Fry House. All right, so we got my boy Will over here. What you got?
Got these buffalo chicken fries.
So he got the buffalo chicken fries.
Good eating.
That good eating. So, you know, we're gonna get out here and ride as soon as we can, and before we sit here and go to sleep.
Yeah, for real.
Because this will definitely put you to sleep. Man, it looks good.
It is.
All right, so we're gonna pig out and we're gonna get back to riding. Matter of fact, look at these shrimp. Look how big these shrimp are. That's some amazing looking stuff. Anyway, Down South Don, moving on. Well, we done eating. As you can see, everybody's face, they stuffed, they dragging.
Yeah, look at these nice bites.
Yeah, so you know, we got 2 newcomers to the group. Yeah, fresh road glides. How you feel about having your road glide?
I pulled up on a gold wing and left on a king.
There you go. But we out here looking good.
They're gonna hook me up with parts.
Yes, make sure you go to downsouthdon.com and get your latest parts. We got a couple of them to fix up over here. So once again, on that food hookup, we are at the French Fry House. It's a nice little spot. tucked off in the hood, you know, kind of hood eats, but it's worth it. Anyway, gonna give Will a rundown on his bike and show him how to operate since he has transitioned from this Gold Wing. What's up, everybody? All right, so finally made it back from such a lovely meal over at the French Fry House. Shout out to them. Got an unboxing, got home, got one of my packages, and this is something that I've been waiting on. So with no further ado, let's bust it open. Something I wanted to show you guys that I spoke of, well, at least a couple of weeks ago, if you watched any of my other videos. And I end up getting 3 of these in. Yeah, let's see. And this is the Saddle Tramp Hex Foam Grip. This is the one with the 6-prong. And of course you can use this pretty much for any motorcycle. But, see, it comes with the hardware, comes with the center stickers that you can actually stick right here. Or you can leave it blank, totally up to you. And you can actually add this to the eye grip or whatever it's called to get an actual better extension. But this one actually mounts to your bars. But yeah, that's quite nice. So, yeah, nice. Got some strength to it. But anyway, so when you open your phone up, I guess you can set it here and it's gonna clamp on it and give you a pretty good mount. But has the ball on the back, and you can find like the little extensions of the grips to it, so it'll stick off from your bars. But as long as it clamps on that 1-inch ball, then you good to go. But of course, like I said, you can take these and you can either have the black one on there or the white one, whichever you prefer, or choose to leave it blank, totally up to you. Comes with the handlebar mounting bracket to fit whatever size bar you may have. And let's see what else. Okay, another extension here, and the handlebar mount to mount on your bars. Now, if you want to use something a little different or a different mount, you can, depending on what type of bars that you have. Oh, this one also comes with the little foam grip that goes around the phone, so you can actually lock it onto it. But anyway, I think this is a lot better than the ones that you normally see, just because of all the points of contact. And what I do is you take these off, like pull one off like so, and drop your little drop of super glue on the metal. Slide it back down over it. That way you never lose any of your rubber grommets or contact points. But anyway, so these are on the website. This is the Hex Grip Foam Mount. You should find it in the bike accessories, or just type in foam mount in the website and you should find it. And I believe these run about $50. So not bad, can't beat it. And it's actually one of the better ones on the market with a hell of a grip. Anyway, that's gonna conclude this video. Make sure you log on to downsouthDon.com, www.downsouthDon.com. Make sure you check out the seat locks. Make sure you get your handlebars and your foam mounts. Also, like, still selling tab exhausts and anything else that you can probably get your hands on. Please be patient at the moment, because everybody's building a motorcycle at this point, and there's a back order on a lot of things. So you have to be patient. You have to realize that if you are ordering during the spring, then yeah, everybody, and I mean everybody and their grandpa, is building a motorcycle currently. So something to think about. Anyway, just got 3 of these in for, you know, a couple of buddies. And make sure you get yours. Down south done. I'm out.